Hello, my name is Sébastien Doré, and I'm working as an associate producer on Ghost Recon Advanced Warfighter 2. What's going on in the storyline is that basically the rebel Mexican have gathered their forces alongside the US border. So basically they are threatening the US to attack them directly if they keep on interfering with what they call Mexican internal affairs. So that's basically the setup of the game, so which will take you through two different cities this time instead of one in the first game. The cities being Ciudad Juarez in Mexico and El Paso in Texas. What we are doing in Grow 2, we are going to make this much more useful and much more efficient for the player by allowing the player to put this small screen in full view. So you can see very precisely what every support forces are seeing on the battlefield. Talking further about Crosscom 2.0, when you are going to use it with other supports such as helicopter, for example, or Striker, or these kind of things, you have the same function. So you can switch to full view and see precisely what they are seeing, and you can order them more precisely to strike on certain elements, for example. So we have also another drone, which is a ground drone called the Mule. The Mule is basically have several purposes. The first purpose of the Mule is basically, as his name is saying, is roughly to carry equipment for you. The second purpose of the Mule is it's a mobile cover. And the third purpose of the Mule is like the other drones, you can use it to recon the environment and spot enemies. Or even use it as a diversion, in fact. Talking about weapons as well, we are going to bring new high-tech weapons in the game. As in the first game, most of our weapons are based on prototype weapons which are going to be used in the future. Several of the ones that you add in the first Grow are returning, such as, for example, the counter-snipe weapon, which can shoot through walls. We've got the gun cam, which is returning as well, which allows you to shoot from cover, for example, with a mounted camera. And we've got new ones. We've got a lot of customizable weapons. We've got basically, like, you've got one weapon as a basis, and then you've got different elements attached to it, which make it different. So this kind of weapons are going to be in the game, so you will still have a lot of choice of weapon and a lot of high-tech cool weapons. Another thing that is being improved in Grow 2 versus Grow 1 is the character classes. We are making the classes much more different. We are making each soldier, each individual, very different. The reason why is because we are introducing a new class, the medic class, which is going to be able to medic much more your teammates, and which is going to be able to medic your character as well, which is going to be able to heal Scott Mitchell. So basically in Grow 2 we are trying to bring more variety than what we had in Grow 1. One of the first things which we are using to do so is basically to have much more outdoor environments. So you are going to see, as you saw today, you are going to see missions which are going to happen in mountains or more desertic type of landscape. So this is basically going to bring a different experience than playing in a city. And also what we are doing is we are having the player to play on both sides of the US border. So you are going to be sometime playing on the Mexican side and sometime playing on the US soil.